Hello, hi everyone. My name is Queenie. I'll be sharing with you guys the topic for today, starting with unlocking opportunity with UBX. So thanks for joining us. We are actually giving um, to have a more understanding about UBX today. So let's go on to our topic, your gateway to the crypto success. So as you know that UBS is actually trying to, we are actually building towards being a global top five digital asset exchange. So many have know that UBS having a lot of partnerships coming in. So why are we looking into being a top five digital asset? So we need to understand the value of future digital asset in the exchange world. So as you know, Donald Trump is actually very strongly backing up the crypto industry, and thanks for him, then a lot of crypto enthusiasts is very into supporting uh, the crypto assets. So many actually know that exchange are not just a normal platform; they are the engine of digital finance. So with the Donald Trump in place, a lot of crypto industries or uh, tokens will actually appreciate due to his support in the crypto industry. So for the next 4 years, since now it's actually going on the bull run for our crypto, if you notice, many tokens actually is not up to its actual value because probably Mr. Donald Trump has not actually spoken anything much, but it's in preparations for all the uh, rules and regulations to be set in for this crypto industry. So we are actually expecting a very huge growth in this industry and in these sectors. So as in UBX, we are actually looking towards uh, innovations, growth, and a global impact to the crypto industry. Okay, firstly, we have to understand the core of crypto finance. In the exchange, we are looking at uh, people can do staking, there's the drive, spot trading, futures, liquidity, and launchpad. So as you guys know, our launchpad is coming up very soon. We have a lot of informations with our launchpad, upcoming launchpad. So why exchange? Exchange actually as the foundations of digital finance, enables seamless transfer of value from one individual to another. So it's also known as the gem on the crown in the crypto industry. So it has a lot of growing potential in the exchange because a lot of ecosystems are actually offering system services like staking, derivative, and even launchpad. And also, exchange has to have the license to attract trust and broader user base. So let's take a look at the overview of UBX Exchange. From 2021, our UBX tech team actually began develop the AI trading machine engine back then. So it actually started a launch with the UBX Exchange during 2024. So now we actually have at the end of 2024 the UBX global user base surpassed 300,000 users in our exchange. So UBX actually upgrade and actually launch its own native token called the UBX token. This actually marked a new phase in our ecosystem growth and global expansion. So with all our compliant licensing, we actually kickstart our UBX exchange to the next level. So currently, we are actually having the UBX Academy based in Singapore. So there is actually many users all over the globe to actually have the access to the UBX exchange. So what makes UBX unique? So in UBX, we actually have our AI-powered trading engine. So it's a real-time market forecasting, the personalized strategy able to enable you to actually do the trading through our UBX platform. So we also have many tokens available for seamless access. And we do have the spot trading, futures, staking, and launchpad in our platform as well. So you can actually do a staking to earn rewards, to earn our native token, or even our new launch tokens is also available in UBX. Okay, so we have the 200 protection fund to advance safeguard all the users' asset. So, and also we are using our community driven feature like the UBS creator programs to actually do community building, and we also do have our community reward system as well. So what is UBX token? Let's have an introduction about our UBX token. It's actually a native token driving our UBX exchange. So we have 200 million in total, which actually started at the price of 10 cents. So to make UBX exchange reach the top 5, we have to have a tokenomics to improve the token for our native token UBX. So let's take a look at our 200 million, how it actually distributed. So in the whole of the 2 million total supply, 70% of it is only able to use to obtain through stake mining rewards. So the remaining 30% is actually used for publicity, listing, marketing, and institutional investor, and also the team incentive. So when we have known about our distribution of the tokens, definitely we need to understand the burning mechanism for it to make it so scarcity in the token. So we have 70% of it circulating to all the users for the stake mining rewards. 5% of the transaction fee is actually being burned away, and also the 25% is actually used for to burn through referral earning quota top-ups, whereby all the communities leaders or having the they need to actually having the commission, they need to actually purchase earning quota to actually like uh, receive their commission. So what can we use for UBX token? So the UBX token can use for lowering trading fee to enjoy discount by paying with UBX. And also UBX in future can actually unlock a lot of premium tools and services found in the platform itself. And also we actually use UBX for all the IEOs, initial exchange offering, and exclusive token launch. UBX token can also use as voting rights in our system. And most, if you notice, most of our launch coins will always pair with UBX as a key trading pair. So you can use the UBX to earn rewards as well. So let's take a look at the future of UBX token. So UBX actually used to fuel our exchange ecosystem to create continued demand of UBX. And with the deflationary tokenomics, it will actually make it so little and ensure long-term value appreciation. So from staking to exclusive platform feature, UBX integrate deeply into all the users' activity. And users and builders can drive adoption, enhancing the UBX token. And we have our strategic vision of all our leaders. We can actually make UBX the top 5 global exchange. So now I would like to share with you one of our wealth management product to earn with UBX, which is our AI plus the PIN. This is actually a enhancing language product that actually allow you to do translation. So this token is called UBC. So why the market need UBC? So we have to understand the problem in AI translation, because UBC in short is actually a universal sorry, give me a second. UBC is actually our communication device. Okay, so there is a rising demand in AI powered translation. It's a multi-billion growing the global translation market is experiencing huge growth, driving economical globalization. So we have to understand during 2023, the market size for AI is around $64 billion. So it's actually projected to reach 94 billion by 10 years time. So with the increasing reliance of AI solutions to break language barrier in the digital communication, so many have demand for translation. So let's take a look today. I believe there is a lot of participants from different global and different region. If you not know that we actually have the translation function from Zoom itself. So maybe those that have not so strong in understanding English, they can actually use the translation function to do the translation to their own language. But to take note, this function that we using from Zoom, they are actually using the database, centralized database from Zoom itself. They have been collecting data. But From our point of view, we are looking towards in a decentralized world. What we want is actually to contribute and incentivize those that assist in the computational power using our own AI translation. So why translation industry are so hot and so little people understanding, able to use translation? Our current solutions are not enough because of a few factors. So many products out there having low accuracy in the AI translation, and also certain AI translation products do not have enough language support for most of the regions. So many solutions lack support for diverse languages, and also probably using other device or other translation do not have any incentive given to users. And also most of these translation products out there are centralized platform which storing user data for the own corporate use. So now we are looking into the DeepIn, future of decentralized AI. It's a rising stars in crypto exchange industry. Let's take a look what is DeepIn. So in short, DeepIn is referring to decentralized physical infrastructure network. So it's mostly used in decentralized services. So why DeepIn? Why we choose DeepIn is because of its market growth. So let's take a look. 50 billion total market cap out there that is using DeepIn. So 13 million over active devices is actually contributing daily data. So in AI, with the pin transforming the industry like computing, storage, and communications, they are all using the pin products. Let's take a look at some leading projects that is using the pin. I'm not sure whether you guys know Randall. Randall is also one of the project working on the pin that's helping a lot of designers solving a lot of graphic issue. And also Bittersaw at cap at 3 billion. So Filecoin is also meant for storage, gathering the storage data. So it's capped at 3.12 billion and it's token at $5 each. So if you notice, a lot of the PIM platform is out there earning big money for their own projects. So by partnering with, so looking ahead of 2025, the DeepIn sector is actually expecting to achieve 100 to 1,000 growth in this emerging market. So this is why UBX is looking to partner with the AI translation product. So how UBC solve all this problem with the AI translation? So Unicorn is the product of a DeepIn and AI solution. So Unicorn is actually an AI product that translate in the blockchain, operate as a blockchain nodes to provide accurate, private, and decentralized language services. So how it works? It transforms a translation device into a blockchain node and uses the AI and the PIN for scalability and data security. So while using the product, users can be incentivized by contributing the computational power while using the translation device. So this product is actually an investment from Anthropic. So UBC managed to actually secure 10 million in angel investment from Anthropic. So this funding actually used to develop the decentralized language network and strengthen UBC's positions in this AI and the PIN ecosystem. So this investment is very important because the Anthropic offer advanced AI research and valuable industrial connection. And this funding can accelerate its growth for the unicorn advancement in the AI technology. So with this investment, our focus area will be used in all the AI blockchain R&D and the expansion of the PIN nodes. So we are actually focusing on building a very close ecosystem with the community contributing this using this Unicom to actually contribute data to the device at the same time being incentivized. So UBC provide a superior AI translation experience addressing to all the industrial challenges that I mentioned just now. So if you take a look, UBC is able to achieve 98% accuracy, ensuring precise and reliable translation. And it's also have extensive language support covering 142 over languages, enables seamless communication. So since it's a DPIN product, it's actually have a very strong privacy protection to protect and safeguard all the users' data to ensure privacy. So it's encouraged a lot of user with all the incentive given out. It's ensure all the user will keep on providing computational power to receive the rewards from by using the device. So, and this device is very powerful. It's used for Web 2 or Web 3. It support both and ensure it can be used across any industry. So let's take a look at the Unicorn technology. So the Unicorn AI itself has a lot of precise translation models. It can actually have its own deep learning function. It can cross-train and understand different languages from different users and cross-train its data and understand very much users' languages. So it also have its own optimized processing for real-time translation. So let's take a look at the UBC real world application. It's practical use in many ways in the Web 2 or even in Web 3. So AI translation ecosystem enable all the seamless communication across all industry. So this multilingual product, it can assist in e-commerce, global trading, and even in our DeFi crypto exchange for real-time translation and support many different languages. So this UBC is not just a device for translation. It's actually a game changer in a lot of global communication because this actually able to seamlessly connect many different languages. It can break all the barriers between different users. So let us take a look at the economic engine behind the Unicorn product. So UBC is the native token for the Unicorn ecosystem. It's actually used to reward users for contributing translation services. So we can just imagine this device is a node that can mine out UBC. So UBC in future will be also used for the AI development. Okay, so we must understand about the UBC token. Although it's used for the device itself, it also have its own tokenomics. So the total supply for UBC is 1 billion. So 45% of it will be used as community rewards from the mining, staking, and also the incentive. So the remaining tokens is used for marketing, AI development, ecosystem expansion, and private funding. So at the meanwhile, we are actually looking at the 45% of it in our community rewards. So this partnership with UBC in our UBX platform, we are actually taking a win-win situation. So in the UBC able to accelerate UBX global expansion, and UBX provide UBC's liquidity in our platform. So in short, UBC support the UBX global growth with real-time multilingual assistance, while UBX improve UBC liquidity and functionality while our Web3 application. So this partnership will open a billion-dollar market in our DePIN industry and also the translation industry, potentially attracting 5 to 7.5 billion users, new users to use our UBX platform. So this will actually help UBX to grow and position ourselves as the top 5 global exchange. So at the meanwhile, how do we able to mine UBC token? There is two ways. One is to use the DePIN mining by using the Unicom device, but at the meanwhile, the product is not ready yet. So we have another way to mine out UBC at the moment by doing the dual token staking. So with UBX and USDT dual token staking, users can actually mine out UBC without any capital loss. So let me give you an example. By staking an asset with 60% UBX and 40% USDT, for 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, and 360 days will give you different reward daily. So 1% daily if you stake in a 360 days contract. So all our rewards will be received in UBC and can be traded inside and exchanged for USDT in our UBX platform. So let me give you an illustration of the dual token stake mining. So this below shows you the example of how much you can earn for staking 60% UBX and 40% USDT. Okay, so for this particular project, UBC, we are expecting to target 1 million unicorn device globally when it's launched. So by 2025, we are looking into 1 million unicorn device worldwide. So this will create a decentralized translation network within the unicorn device itself. So this DePIN infrastructure will become the largest decentralized network language services in the real-time AI translation. So this milestone will establish UBC as the largest decentralized AI translation ecosystem, which will actually drive mass adoptions and transform into a global communication in the Web3 world. Okay, so why we are looking at this UBC opportunity? This will be able to unlock a billion-dollar opportunity to you if you join UBC. So UBC is at the forefront of AI and blockchain innovation. So this, how does it unlock the billion-dollar market opportunity to all? Because you can actually use the product for translation, at the same time being incentivized back to yourself. So give me a second. Okay, so this AI will actually help a lot of users to break the barrier for communications, at the same time being incentivized while contributing the computational power for the network. So our commitment for this AI product, we are looking to break language barrier for all connected Web3 world. and also to build the largest decentralized AI translation network through UBX. Okay, now I will touch on our community referral programs. So in UBX platform, we actually have a lot of products that allow you to earn rewards through the launch token. Okay, now we have UBC for the AI translation. And I believe most of you have heard of XAI the last few days through other trainers. So now I would like to share with you all the products in our wealth management are able to allow you to additional earn referral rewards. So let's take a look. Assuming we are using UBC or UBX as the investment product. So whatever product that you have referred, the amount of staking you can earn 10% direct referral reward calculated from the daily yield of your direct referrals. What do I mean by that? Just imagine you introduce someone to stake either UBX, UBC, or XAI. Your friend actually receive probably a 50 USDT per day through his 10,000 USDT being staked in any of the wealth product. You will receive a 10% from the 50 USDT calculated, meaning to say you'll be receiving 5 USDT from this direct referral of yours. So assuming there is another users that stake probably XAI and he stake 10,000 USDT for 360 days and earn 0.8% daily. Okay, sorry, this is UBX. Okay, so UBX, this direct referral of yours is earning $80 USDT daily. This will give you a $8 USDT as a referral reward. So all your daily rewards you will be received in UBX token and will be calculated according to the value of UBX. If your user is actually doing the product of UBC, you'll be also calculated in the value of UBC for that day. So for indirect referral, meaning to say this friend of yours that you refer directly is very interested to recommend another friend to join him to earn daily rewards as well. He or she, I take an example, stake 10,000 USDT for 30 days in the UBX product. He or she will earn 0.5%, which is $50 USDT. You'll be receiving 5% out of the daily reward, daily yield, which is 2.5 USDT. So do remember the referral rewards is only up to 2 generations, which is direct referral and indirect. The third person that is introduced by your indirect will not have any referral to you. But not forgetting, we have another referral rewards as well. It will be the team management benefits. So as long as you are able to build a team, You will receive a team management reward ranging from 20% to 60% based on the calculation of the daily yield of the entire team. So all the daily rewards in UBX will be calculated according to the value of UBX that day. So we have the ranking of VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, and VIP 5. So let's take a look how to become a VIP 1. Probably after receiving the indirect and direct referral, you find that your team is building up and manage to have a total staking of 30,000 USDT within your whole group. And you have 5 direct active account, which means they have do a wealth product staking of at least 100 USDT. And you have a personal staking of 500 USDT yourself. Congratulations, you will be promoted to a VIP 1, which allows you to receive an additional 20% team management rewards from the daily yield. So a sample 30,000 USDT staking multiplied by 0.4%. Okay, 0.4% is assuming the lowest daily yield, which allow the team to receive a 0.4% daily yield. So I'll multiply that with 20%, and that will be your team management benefit. It can be from $30 USDT all the way to 150 USDT per day. So it will be calculated based on daily calculations. So if you manage to actually have your team build up with the staking accumulation up to 100,000 USDT, and at the same time you have 2 teams in your whole network, 2 different lines promoted to VIP 1 and having your own personal staking up to at least $1,000 USDT, you'll be promoted to V2, VIP 2. So this time round, you'll be having an additional 30% as your team management benefit. So do remember, the 30% we have to deduct off the 2 VIP 1 earning before the remaining will be your team rewards. Okay, so being a VIP 2, you can have 50 to 400 USDT earning per day. So VIP 3 will be 40%. It's the same thing. You will be needed to deduct the earning from 2 VIP 2, and estimated a VIP 3 will be having a commission up to 1,005 USDT per day. And the requirement for personal staking will be different as well. So our highest ranking is VIP 5 for team benefit. So by staking a minimum of personal staking 10,000 USDT with 2 VIP 4 from 2 different lines and a team staking of 8 million USDT, you'll be promoted to VIP 5 with a team management benefit of 60%. So in UBX platform, a VIP 5 will approximately earn 3,000 to even 20 to 30,000 per day, depend on your team size. But what happens if you have a referral that promoted to the same ranking as you? Because like I mentioned before, the benefit will have the 60% benefit will have to deduct the VIP for earnings. So what happened? You have promoted someone to the same level, meaning to say you are not earning any income from the team management benefit. But not to worry. There will be additional, okay, this additional team bonus is for same ranking for V5. If you happen to have your direct promoted to be same ranking as you, meaning to say you have to pay off 60% for VIP 5 below you. Not to worry, there will be this additional team bonus from 0.01% to 0.03% given to you. So just imagine if you have a VIP 5 and you have a direct referral that promoted to a VIP 5 as well, you will actually receive an additional bonus of 0.01% on top of the total staking volume. Okay, so take note, additional team bonus will be calculated based on the total staking volume instead of the daily yield. So remember, a minimum personal staking for VIP 5 is 10,000 USDT. But for you to promote to a VIP 5 star, 1 star, you will require a personal staking of 20,000 USDT. So if you happen to have two direct that promotes direct VIP promotes to a VIP 5, you will be rewarded with an additional bonus of 0.02% of the total staking volume of the two VIP 5 volume. So our highest ranking will be VIP 5 3 star, which allows you to earn 0.03% on the total staking volume of all the direct VIP below you. So this is the same ranking for any ranks. I'm just taking an example for VIP 3. Assuming you have a direct that also promote to VIP 3. So meaning to say, you're supposed to earn a 20% of the total referral. You will earn a 20% of the total referral reward by the same ranking downline of yours. So example, if A is your referral that actually promoted to your same ranking as you, assuming he is earning 1,000 USDT in referral rewards, for you, you will be actually receiving a 20% from his earning, which will be $200 USDT. So take note, if your referral happens to surpass your ranking, there will not be any team management rewards granted. Okay, so all rankings will have this referral reward earning quota. To receive the team management benefits, all will require to have this quota to increase. Okay, so for community builders must purchase referral reward earning quota so that they can earn to claim their daily rewards. So let us take an example. So the quota actually based on the VIP ranking. So assuming you are a VIP 3, you are given a 5 times multiplier bonus. So meaning to say, when you have this total referral earning, supposedly to receive 1000 USDT, you have to purchase a quota at least equal or more than 1000 USDT. So in this case, for you to receive this 1000 USDT, you have to purchase a quota up to 1000. So in this reference, the earning quota in UBX token is calculated based on the value of UBX that day when you want to receive your commission. So when you top up 300 USDT worth of UBX, it will give you 5 times the amount to collect. Meaning to say, when you top up 300 USDT, you'll receive 1005 USDT quota to collect your commission. So once you collect your 1000 USDT, you will left a balance of 500 USDT. So assuming you have another $1000 the next day, you only left with 500 USDT. It will not be enough for you to claim your commission that day. So do take note that you have failure to top up before the next day, your earning will be forfeited. So take note, the referral earning will be forfeited if you do not collect it on the same day of commission being issued. So this is the summary of the reward summary that I mentioned just now. So this is a clear glance for you guys. VIP 1. Okay, so for ordinary members that have not been promoted to any VIP 1 status, you just require to have a minimum staking of $100 USDT. And you can actually continue to receive your direct referral and indirect referral without buying any quota. So when your maximum staking up to 50,000 USDT, most likely you will be actually promoted, and you will have to purchase quota limits. Okay, let me rephrase myself. Okay, for your referral team bonus performance, when you promoted to VIP 1 and above, you will need to start purchasing the quota limit for you to receive any referral rewards. Okay, so I hope today's sharing on our community rewards is clear to everyone. And thanks for joining me tonight. And probably I will update you guys tonight. We will be actually having a new series of podcasts scheduled from tomorrow onwards. So hope everyone stay tuned to our group chat in the Telegram. So if you have not joined us in our UBX Global Academy Telegram channel, please do join us because you'll be able to receive latest update and also all the past recording that you have missed. Okay, so before I end today's session, give me a second.